Welcome back to Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramina Kausalya Yojana, the skill development project for rural youth, Thread Society, Kovuru, SPSR, Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh, India. My name is Radha Krishna Mulluru and I have Mr. Naveen with me. Hi, Mr. Naveen.
Yes, hi sir.
Thank you for coming to this, mock or practice interview. So please tell me about yourself.
My name is Naveen. I am from Ramanatapalli. My qualifications are MBA in Vijayawada Loyola College. My father name is Subbareddy. My mother name is Venkata Subbamma. I have one brother and sister. My brother name is Narendra. My sister name is Navita.
Thank you. What was the best thing that you learned from your Master of Business Administration?
How to interact people in business. How to interact people in business and marketing fields.
Do you have work experience in business or marketing?
No, sir. I have experience in postal department service in 6 months.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, what are your future plans about work?
I have got anyone on government job and business.
Okay, so you want to get into a government job and also you want to do some business.
Yes, sir.
Right. Which type of government job do you want to get?
Postal department or revenue department and central and state wise also.
Okay. So, any government job.
Any government job, sir.
Okay. Okay, there would be a lot of competition and you need preparation, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you compete for every job, the possibility that you get it is less. And if you focus on particular jobs, I think you can prepare well and you can try better. What do you say?
Whenever is competition, I have some reservation
Mm-hmm.
with my career
Yes.
because I have some some problems also.
Yes, I understand that you believe that your reservation would help you
Yes,
in
sir.
getting a government job,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, that makes sense to me. Now, what about the business? Which type of business do you want to get into?
In marketing field, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Marketing field. How to interact, how to sell
Mm-hmm.
in one product and another person's,
Okay.
how to give.
Do you have any sales experience?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Okay. Could you please explain your sales experience?
Actually, my sales experience in doing my college time in Vijayawada,
Mm-hmm.
I have to go on soapbox, soapbox sell one person.
Okay.
How to interact between that person?
Yes.
That person is asking how much it's cost,
Mm-hmm.
but I am telling, please look at this, sir. The product is very nice.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Amazing, very good. I think that's a good idea. I too know a bit of marketing. I'm not an expert at marketing, but I know a bit of marketing. Okay, then. So where do you see yourself in the next 1 year? Say for example, in the 1 year, in the next 1 year, or say after 1 year, where do you see yourself?
After 1 year, I have to go Bangalore
Mm-hmm.
in any MNC company. I have to
Okay.
prepare
Mm.
any government job in 1 year. I have to go
Okay.
Bangalore
Mm-hmm.
in settle my life in 1 year.
Okay, so what I understand is after the course is completed, that means
Yes,
in the next 1 week. So after the course, you will go to Bengaluru. You will try to do something there, some job or something,
yes, sir.
right? And you will prepare for a government job.
Yes, sir.
You will get a government job, and after getting a government job, you will try to get into marketing or sales.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is your plan,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So where do you see yourself possibly in the next 5 years?
I have nothing possible, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing possible.
Okay.
Nothing work.
Mm-hmm.
Any work.
Okay. So, what is your opinion about future plans and growth? You know. Growth. What is your opinion about growth? Do you have any growth plans for you?
Yes, sir. I have some growth plans for me
Mm-hmm.
because my family members are very happy about me
Okay.
because I am a very educated person
Yes.
in career. How to settle my life
Mm-hmm.
because I am also educated person.
Mm.
How to settle my life in business field or government field, in any field.
Yeah.
This is my goal on my career.
Without permission, why are you entering the room? Please stay outside. Okay. Okay, great. That's it, I think. I wish you all the best for your future. And in your planning or in executing or implementing the plans, if you have any problem, you can contact me or any person who can help you. All right. So, do you have my contact number?
Yes, sir.
Great. Do you have any questions to me?
No, sir.
Very good, very good. Thank you so much once again for taking this mock or practice interview.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You're welcome. Have a good future. Have a nice day. Thank you.